Hello, today we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing marketing. From personalized customer experiences to automated campaigns, AI is changing the game. Let's take a closer look. First up is personalization. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, processing customer behavior, preferences, and purchase history to deliver hyper-personalized content and recommendations. It's like having a personal shopper for every customer. This level of personalization not only boosts engagement but also increases conversion rates, making customers feel more connected to your brand. Take email campaigns, for example. AI can now send tailored emails at the perfect time, with content that resonates with each individual customer. Next, let's talk about automation. With AI, repetitive tasks like posting on social media, sending emails, and even running ads can be completely automated, freeing up time for marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. AI-powered tools like chatbots and predictive analytics can manage customer service inquiries and optimize ad placements, making marketing efforts more efficient and effective. For instance, AI chatbots provide real-time assistance to customers, answering common questions and collecting data that helps improve future interactions. AI also enables predictive analytics, allowing marketers to forecast trends and customer behaviors more accurately. This means better decision-making and more targeted marketing strategies. AI-generated content is another huge trend. From video scripts to social media posts, AI can now create personalized content in minutes, helping brands scale their marketing efforts while maintaining that personal touch. So whether it's personalizing customer experiences, automating campaigns, or using AI to forecast trends, the future of marketing is all about leveraging AI to connect with audiences in smarter and more effective ways. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on the future of AI and marketing. Stay ahead of the curve with AI-driven marketing. See you in the next video.